Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Daily chart. And look, this stuff is, this stuff's as volatile as it gets. It's very crazy market stuff. Even if you traded for a while, some of the volatility, some of the things that are happening here are, unprecedented as far as the kind of moves we're seeing. And the most important thing that you can do in all of this, and I've mentioned it throughout the course of the week, is protect yourself. The focus sometimes becomes on, how much can we make this, that, the other thing, but I think the real focus in a week like this is, getting out of it intact. If you can get out of it intact, then, you can trade this, you can trade anything. I was talking to a guy this morning that's been trading forever. And that was his comment to me, and I'm passing it on to you. So this is about surviving. So let's talk about the chart. We're on a 5-day lower band ride, day 5 being today. And I wasn't super excited about the band ride to begin with because the bands were already kind of blown out when we got here. But they've just stayed blown out. What the bears want is they want this hop up to here that they were able to hold. They want this to be the pronounced lower high. So you got your high, you got your lower high. Now they got to finish that off with a lower low. If they can accomplish that, then they really truly are in control of the tape, because a lower low that holds by default is going to be a conversion of the purple line here, which is the 200-day exponential moving average. And the 200-day exponential moving average is basically, long-term, who's got, bull markets, bear markets, bull control, bear control. On longer-term time frames, the 200-day exponential or the simple moving average, which is down in the 30s where it bounced last time, are critical. They're really, really important. And the bears, if they want to keep this tape for weeks and months to come, that's the line they've got to convert. What do the bulls want? They want this to be just a big glorified test of that long-term moving average that holds. So that's the battle that's getting waged right now. And that battle is going to continue today. The other thing I would encourage you is, if you've had a great big week and you're having a great big month and you get done whatever your daily goal is, and it should be modest just like it is on any other day, I would strongly suggest you give yourself the day off. Just chill. And I know I said this last Friday, and it didn't work out last Friday because we had to trade like crazy, and the thing fell out of bed. It did bet, it went all the way down to bet the house, and I mean, we made a killing. But if today is muted, don't feel like you can't walk away from your screen and just kind of chill and take a little bit of a 3-day weekend and come back Monday refreshed, with your head screwed on straight and ready to go. Okay. I've heard from 3 or 4 of my subscribers that have thanked me for a fantastic week and will not be trading today. And I think that if you're tired, I think that's the way to go. So hourly chart now. This is where the 50 rejected. You got a lower high here. Daily pivot failed. Big push down. They crawled back up to the hourly midband. And hourly midband is trying to hold. If it's able to do that, then you get the move below 77, and they'll try to make the move back down towards 25.29, 25.30. That's all theoretical at this point. What would be important would be a break of yesterday's low at 77. They traded as low as 80.5. If they can break and convert 77, then I think you get a pretty quick trip down to 25.29. Okay. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Remember what I said. Subscribers, I'll see you in the room. Anybody new out there, if you're looking to get in and out of the rain with all this volatility and things going in and around these markets, come and see us. We would love to meet you, and we'd love to show you what we're all about. Okay, take care. Catch everybody on Monday. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.